it is getting big. But now I've got someone else to introduce you to. He's really making a name for himself as a free runner. He's new to the tour. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Luke Madigan! Brand new to the annual bike tour, making his way across the equipment. Have a look at this. What's he going to do for us now with a corkscrew? Maybe that was a corkscrew. I don't know what it's called, but it's absolutely awesome. That's Luke Madigan. Right, let's get something else to give away. And we're going to move on to the next part of the show. I've got an animal hat to give out. You guys have been rocking so far. But Martin is about to find one for us, live and direct, here in London itself. Let's see if he can make it. Let's see if he can do it. 40 centimetres on the bike.
There's a lot of disc weight on the back.
I'm not going to build anything after this. Just 40 centimetres. Hey. Here we go! Go on, mate. Shut him down. Check this out! Oh my word! Right, Blake. We've seen that you can jump high, but can you do moves at that height as well? Let's see if you can do something special for us. Get your cameras ready, get your vocal cords ready. Here comes Mr. Blake. So